Hello, beautiful people. My name is Hilal Abubakar, and welcome to One by One. So, what is the first thing you do every day in the morning? It most probably might be brushing your teeth. So, do you want the first thing you touch every day in the morning to be a plastic? Let us talk about it. So, the first plastic toothbrush was invented in the 1930s, and it still remains somewhere out there in the world as a piece of trash. And it is almost impossible to recycle this material. So, what are the other alternatives to using the plastic toothbrush? To begin with, there are many kinds of toothbrush you can buy from the market. The plastic toothbrush, which is also called as the manual toothbrush, the electric toothbrush, the bamboo toothbrush, metal toothbrush, the replaceable head toothbrush, and among others. But which is the most viable one? When we consider the climate change issues and sustainability of the materials, the plastic and electric toothbrush are the worst kinds. The plastic toothbrush is the most polluting, and the climate change potential of the electric toothbrush is 11 times greater than that of a bamboo toothbrush. Now coming to the better options of using a toothbrush. The metal toothbrush. The metal toothbrush is a very aesthetic and durable toothbrush, but are expensive. So I wouldn't go for that option. Now secondly, the bamboo toothbrush. The bamboo toothbrush is the best kind of toothbrush. They are compostable, eco-friendly and cheap. So I go for that option, and I have started my eco-friendly life starting off with bamboo brush. My final mention goes to the replaceable head toothbrush. These are the type of toothbrush where you can change the head part of the toothbrush. But the sustainability of this toothbrush depends on what material they are made of. Ultimately, if they are made of plastic, they are not sustainable, but still better than the conventional type of plastic toothbrushes. I hope that you have got some idea on the alternatives of a plastic toothbrush. Every option that reduces the amount of plastic used and the plastic material used is a step in the right direction. I have taken the step in the right direction, and if you find this video informative, please share with your friends and family. I value each and every second of your time for watching this video. Let us all make the world a better place one by one, because one matters. Thank you and have a great day.